I think sometimes it can smell kind of like cat pee. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanrel. This is my daughter Sakura, and we are here today to do another unboxing. So today we actually have a new box for us. We've never tried it before. This is the Walmart Beauty Box. So the Walmart Beauty Box is only $5, which was what sucked me in. I really want to see what they put in there. That's $5, right, for the value. And it's a seasonal box. It comes once a season. And so when I ordered it, maybe a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, I assumed I was ordering the winter seasonal box, considering it's January. However, when I looked at my invoice, it said fall box. So we'll see what we get. All right, Sakura, go ahead and open it up. First, there's a card on top. Oh, yep. It says fall faves. So some reason we got the fall box. So I don't know when our winter one will be showing up. It says, enter to win a $100 gift card. Tell us what you think about your Walmart Beauty Box in a brief survey by visiting this website. Okay, totally do that. So Sakura's already handing me our first item. So first, we have a pack of Bic Soleil Sensitive razors. Interesting. So this was for the fall box. I personally would think this is a summer item, but you know, whatever. These are useful. They will get used. That's pretty cool. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, we have a lotion, a little deluxe size sample lotion. This one's from Jergens, their body butter collection. This is the Lavender Soothe and Smooth with Calming Lavender Essential Oil, a triple butter blend. So let's smell it, Sakura.
Yeah, I want to smell.
I was gonna say, oh, it is open. I thought perhaps it would have a seal, but it doesn't.
Can you
Here,
smell
you
first?
wanna put it on your hands?
Yeah. Just take that much.
I tend to like lavender scents quite a bit.
It smells good.
Yeah.
I like it.
Even though I feel like sometimes lavender can lean toward pretty bad sometimes. Like, I think sometimes it can smell kind of like cat pee.
Rub it in.
Very
Smells better.
similar to cat pee, actually, but
Rub it in. It smells better.
no, this smells very lotiony to me, actually. And I like it. Like, I know some people probably be like, ooh, it smells like lotion smells, like that generic kind of lotion smell, but I really like it. It smells kind of medicated to me. I love it. All right, what else do we have? Oh! We have a sample size Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray, Ultra Clear. Okay. It smells really good.
Can you smell it?
Yep. So
Mm.
this is another item that will get used. I'm honestly getting more summer vibes from this though, not gonna lie. All right, what else do we have? Oh! We have a foil packet samples of Herbal Essences, BioRenew, Gentle Color Protection, Birch Bark Extract, Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner. So I'm not normally a huge fan of foil samples, you know, the foil packet samples. I feel like they can be super messy. Like you feel like you get down in here and you save this much for later, but then it ends up turning into a big mess and you end up chucking it out anyway. But maybe we will try and use this all in one go, although that's quite a bit of shampoo to use in once. But you know, I've never tried this shampoo. I'm willing to give it a shot. Oh, it's another foil packet. This is Purely Inspired Collagen Peptides. Oh, grass-fed and pasture-raised Vitality Blend with biotin. So this is the one, let me see, how are you supposed to drink it? It says mix 1 serving with 8 ounces of water or beverage of choice and take once daily.
Oh,
Okay,
cool card.
we got a vitamin. So it came with another card detailing all the different like Jergens body butter lotions there are. Okay, anything else in there? That's it.
Just this.
Just some paper. Okay, so our items. We've got some collagen samples, shampoo and conditioner samples, Degree 48-hour antiperspirant sample. And how many are in here? Is it just one? A Bic Soleil Sensitive and a deluxe lotion sample.
Smells good.
So what do I think? Do I think this is worth $5? If you went and bought this, I don't know, maybe $2 or $3. Same with the Degree antiperspirant. If you went and bought it in the travel section, it's probably $2 or $3. And same with this. Might be like a $2 sample. This, I'm not really counting, oh sorry, the foil packets, I'm not really counting as worth much. It's just a foil packet sample that you can get for free a lot of places. And the Bic is probably worth at least a few bucks. So yeah, I think it was worth $5. I'm definitely interested to see what comes in the winter box, however. So apparently in the Walmart Beauty Box, obviously you're going to get brands that are featured at Walmart, and you can get a variety of different items. Looking at like reviews and such people got different things, although those razors seem to be in every box that I saw. Anyway, I hope this was a helpful video for you. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for joining us today for just a few minutes as we unpack this Walmart video. Oh my gosh. But thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you have a great one and stay warm and cozy wherever you are. We'll see you next time. Bye.